Hello friends at home. In this video we will be going through today's math lesson, which is lesson 16-6. It can be found in your math books on page 615. That's 600s, 110 and 5 ones, 615, 615. And at the top of this problem solving page, the title says work backward. So let's see what they mean by working backward. Bob buys an apple for 35 cents. So I'm going to circle 35 cents because I feel like that's an important number. So Bob buys an apple for 35 cents. He has 10 cents left. So I'm going to circle 10 cents left. So how much money did Bob have to start? It says you can work backward to solve the problem. He spent 35 cents. He has 10 cents left over. So we can add these two numbers to tell us how much he had before he spent the 35 cents. Does that make sense? Yeah. Excellent. So we take 35 cents, and if we add 10 cents to it, 5 plus 0 is 5, and 3 plus 1 is 4. So, Emma, how many cents did he have before he bought the apple? 45 cents. Great work, Emma. All right. Let's look down now at number 1. It says Jill spends 65 cents on pretzels. So I'm going to circle 65 cents. That's Austin's mom. And she has 20 cents left. So this is what she has left after she buys the pretzels. So how much money did Jill have to start? So if we take the 65 cents that she spent on pretzels, and we add it to the 20 cents that she still has in her pocket, that will tell us how much she had to start. So if I line up my 6 tens and 5 ones with my 2 tens and 0 ones, I can see that I have 5 ones, 6, 7, 8, 10. So Austin, how much money did your mama have to begin with? 85 cents. So 65 cents plus 20 more means she started with 85 cents before she bought the pretzels. Let's look at number 2, Ava June. Who are we talking about now? Tim. Who's Tim? Her dad. Tim buys some juice for 40 cents. He has 25 cents left. So how much money did Tim have to start? So if we add up the 40 cents he spent on juice and the 25 cents that's still in his pocket, that should tell us how much money he had before he bought the juice. So I'm going to line up 4 tens and 0 ones. That's what he bought the juice for. 2 tens and 5 ones. That's the amount he still has in his pocket. So we have 0 plus 5 is 5, and 4 plus 2 is 6. So Ava June, how much money did Daddy have before he bought you juice? 65 cents. And the number sentence would be 40 cents plus 25 cents equals 65 cents. Fantastic. Let's turn the page now and go to the top of page 616. And now we're talking about Jamal. It says Jamal buys a pencil for 11 cents. I'm going to circle 11 cents, and I'm going to put 11 cents as one of my parts. He has 28 cents left. So I'm circling 28 cents, and I'm making 28 cents the other one of my parts. How much money did Jamal have to start? So if I take the 11 cents that he bought the pencil for, and I add that to the 28 cents that he still has in his wallet, I have 1 plus 8 is 9, And 1 plus 2 is 3. So, Mateo, how much money did Jamal have before he bought a pencil? 39 cents. Excellent. So, our number sentence would read 11 cents plus 28 cents equals 39 cents. Let's take a look at number 4. Who would like to walk me through this problem step by step? Go ahead, Blake. Oh, you got to read louder than that. We have friends at home trying to hear.
Gwen buys an
Eraser
for 30 cents. He has 18 cents left. How much money did Gwen have to start?
So what do we do? What are the two parts? So what's my first part? 30 cents. So everybody put 30 cents. And what's my second part? 18 cents. Good job. Now we need to line them up and add them up. So there's 3 10s and 0 1s plus 1 10 and 8 1s. So Blake, what is 0 plus 8? What is 3 plus 1? So how much? Yes, 48 cents. It's important that you say cents because it's not just 48. It's 48 cents. Who can read and walk us through number 5? Nice and loud, Beckett.
Ava buys a marker for 50 cents. Now he has 40 cents. How much money did he have to spend?
So what are my two parts, Beckett?
50 and 40.
50 cents and 40 cents. So walk us through. What should I do?
50 plus 40 equals 90.
50 plus 40 equals, and he said 90. So 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 4 is 9. So Ava had 90 cents to spend. And our number sentence would read 50 cents plus 40 cents equals 90 cents. All right, the right about it says Mary buys crayons for 20 cents. She has 50 cents left. How much money did Mary have before she bought the crayons? Tell how you know. Okay, so we can take the money she spent, which was 20. If we add that to the money she still has, which is 50, that gives us 70 cents. So how do we know that she had 70 cents? Because we took what she has plus what she spent, and that tells us what was in her wallet before she spent anything. Okay, let's go now to the top of the next page. This is just a review of the one that Emma went over with us on the other page. So let's go down to the more practice. And we're going to continue working backwards to solve these problems. And I would love if Faith would read this problem and walk us through it.
Rick spends 30 cents on groceries. He has 45 cents left. How much money did Rick have to spend?
So what are our two parts, Faith?
30 and 45.
30 cents and 45 cents. Good job. So what should I do next? How do I figure out? I've got 30 cents plus 45 cents. How do I figure out the answer? I had to add them up, right? Okay, so say add them up. 30 plus 45. So Faith, what is 0 plus 5?
5.
And what is 3 plus 4?
7.
So how much did Rick have?
75.
75 cents. Okay, good job. Connor, would you read number 2 about Lisa?
Lisa buys some carrots for 75. She has 20 left. How much money did Lisa spend? Have to start.
Okay, this little symbol here, the C with the line through it, that means cents. So she buys some carrots for 75 cents. She has 20 cents left. And it's important that we say cents because we don't know if we're talking about dollars or hundreds of dollars. So we have to say the cents. So Connor, what are the two parts that I should write here?
You should write 75 75
cents and 20 cents. Good job. What's the next thing I should do?
Do the same thing on the bottom.
Okay, same thing on the bottom. And now how do I get this answer?
You add it up.
I add them up. So 75 plus 20. Connor, what is 5 plus 0?
5.
What is 7 plus 2?
8. I mean 9.
How much did Lisa have?
95.
95 what?
Cents.
Good job. 95 cents. Okay, go ahead and turn the page. Right now, I would love it if you, boys and girls here and at home, would work through these 4 problems. If you are at home, you can pause, do the work, and then unpause, and we'll go over the answers. And if you are here in the classroom, go ahead and get your work done, and we'll go over it shortly. So friends at home, hit pause, work through these 4 problems on the back, and we'll check it in just a bit when you unpause. Okay, friends, if you want to go ahead and check your answers here. The first one, Trisha buys eggs for 85 cents. She has 12 cents left, so how much did she have to start? Our 2 parts were 85 and 12. When we add those up, we get 97 cents. So Trisha had 97 cents to start. If you had that correct, give yourself a star or a smile. If you didn't have it correct, make sure you fix it now. Looking at the next one, number 4, Jen buys melon for 61 cents. She has 18 left over, so how much did she have to start? Your 2 parts should be 61 and 18. When you add them up, you get 79. So Jen had 79 cents. You should have 61 plus 18 equals 79. If you had that correct, give yourself a star or a smiley face. If you did not have it correct, please fix it now. The next 2 were a little bit different, so you had to pay attention. It says Alex had 90 cents to begin with. So now we already know the beginning number was 90. He buys a banana. We don't know how much the banana costs, and he has 60 cents left. So we're trying to figure out now the part instead of the whole. So instead of saying part, whole, we're going to take the whole minus a part, and that will tell us the other part. So I did 90 minus 60, which gave me 30. So the banana cost 30 cents, which is why he had 60 cents left over. So 90 equals the 60 he has in his pocket plus the 30 he spent on the banana. How many of you had that one right? A couple of you. How many of you got confused on that one because the wording was a little different? That's okay. All right, the next one here. Amy had 78 cents. So we know that's how much she has all together. That's our whole. So you should have 78 cents for your whole. She buys a pepper, but we don't know how much that pepper costs. That's the question mark. But she's got 4 cents left in her pocket. So to figure out how much she spent on the pepper, we can take what she had, take away what she has left, and that will tell us what she spent on the pepper. So 78 minus 4 is 74. So the pepper costs 74 cents. 74 plus 4 equals 78. How many of you had that one correct? Excellent. A few of you did. That makes me very happy. Okay, friends at home, that is it for math today. I think that was some pretty good practice in working backward to solve money problems, and we will see you again soon. Bye.